Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Tech and Tips with King. In this video, I am going to show how you can run Mac OS X in your Android using Limbo PC Emulator application. So let's get into the video. In this video, I am going to show how you can run Mac OS X in your Android with using Limbo PC Emulator application. So basically, Mac OS is different OS from the Windows. There is an official company of Apple and they provide the Mac OS for their PCs, means portable computer. So Mac OS is basically our operating system where we can use in any devices. So in this video I'm going to show how you can run and use Mac OS in your Android with using Limbo PC Emulator application. So let me just give a quick brief of the Limbo PC Emulator application. Limbo PC Emulator application is an emulator application where you can use in your Android phone. Well, by using this application you can run any OS in your Android. Like I have shown in my previous video, there are a lot of videos on my YouTube channel that have shown how you can run Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Windows 7, Windows XP, Windows 2000, Windows old version, Windows 98, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 8.1, Windows with working internet, Windows with softwares, Windows with accessible with internal storage. So there are a lot of videos on my YouTube channel. You can check out my previous video, and there is a video on my channel that I've shown how you can run Mac OS in your Android, but that was the old video and that was the old version. So this is the another version, and in this Mac OS the internet is perfectly working. I'm going to show you now. So first of all, you have to download the Limbo PC Emulator application, the downloading in the description. And second thing, you have to download the Mac OS X, the downloading in the description. It will be approx 3 GB, so make sure you have a lot of storage in your Android phone, and the downloading in the description. So after downloading both the files, you have to open the Limbo PC Emulator application. Before opening the application, make sure you have connected with the internet, mobile data or Wi-Fi, and the good working internet. So now you have to open the Limbo PC Emulator application. So as you can see, I have opened the application. So this will look like this. So make sure you're using the latest version of the Limbo PC Emulator application. I already provide the downloading in the description. You can download from there. So now you have to click on the none. You have to create a machine. Here you can create. So I've already created. So let me just show you which settings I have done. So Mac OS X I have created. Now in interface, as you can see, I did not do anything. It will be default. In board, as you can see, CPU I have selected Code to Duo. So what setting I have shown in this video, you have to do the same, because other setting will not going to work. If it's work, maybe you get some problems. You can increase, but you don't you can increase RAM, but you have to select the CPU model, CPU codes. As you can see in the board, I have selected CPU model Code to Duo. Make sure you have selected this one, and CPU codes you have to select only one. If you select more than one, it will not going to work. So make sure you're only selecting CPU codes only one. And RAM you can select according to your smartphone. If you have a lot of RAM in your Android phone, you can select. I have selected 2 GB, and make sure you have to click on the enable MTTCG, and you have to uncheck the disable TSC. Before, there is no check on the MTTCG and check on the disable. You have to uncheck it, and you have to check the enable MTTCG. So this is the setting you have to do in your Limbo PC Emulator application. So just now I've done all the settings. So let me just click to board. Now you have to get into the disk. You have to select the disk A, and you have to select the Mac OS file which I have provided the downloading in the description. You have to download it, and you have to select it in the disk A. Now you have to get into the boot. You have to select the boot from hard disk. So we have selected the macOS file in the disk, so we are going to boot it from the hard disk. So I've selected. Now you have to get into the graphics. You have to select the video display. You have to select VMware. I was already mentioned select setting I am showing in this video, so it will going to work for you. So display I have selected this. Now you have to get into the network. If you want to use internet in your Mac OS X, so you have to do the settings and make sure you have connected with the internet to your Android mobile phone. So network, you have to click to user. In network card, you have to select this RTL 8139. So this is the setting you have to select in the network. So now we have done all the settings in the Limbo PC Emulator. So before go, I'm going to just click to play button. I'm going to turn on the screen rotation. So as you can see, like this, so you will get the better view for the better understanding. So let me just set up the camera. So as you can see in the screen, just now turn on the screen rotation and turn my Android phone, so you can get the better view and full screen. So I have done all the settings in the Limbo PC Emulator, and before I am going to click on the play, you have just enable the Wi-Fi or mobile data. And now I am going to just click on the play button. As you can see, it will saying press any key to start startup option. So let me just click to enter. And here, as you can see, HD01, let me just click to enter. Now as you can see, this is the Limbo PC Emulator application status bar. I'm going to hide, and as you can see, the Apple logo has been appear in the screen. As I mentioned earlier, the Mac OS is the product of the Apple company, and as you can see, the logo appear and the booting is over here. So I am making this video on one of my subscriber demand, so they comment and request me to make a video on macOS, so I am making this video. If you want any particular and specific topic video, let me know in the comments. I try to work on it, I do research on it, and I test on it, and then I make a video and publish for you. So if you want to run any PC software, or if you want to run any Windows, any Linux or Mac OS, any PC game, let me know in the comments. I surely make video on it if it's possible. So as you can see, the Mac OS is booting up here. It will going to take some time, so I'm going to just fast forward this video. The Mac OS has been successfully booted, and here it will asking you password. So let me just tell you the password. So you have to click and you have to enable the keyboard. The password is 1234 1234. So you have to insert the password 1234, and you have to just click on the login. You can change password according to you. After booting up, you can change the password in the settings. So as you can see, the macOS has been again booting up here. The mouse cursor has been appeared in the screen. So as you can see in the screen, the Mac OS has been successfully booted in my Android phone, and it will take some few minutes to fully boot. And as you can see, this is the Mac OS. While using volume buttons, you can get the more option. The volume down button will be the mouse right button, and the volume up button will be the mouse left button. You can select. So as you can see, this is the options. So let me just show you about this PC. So I'm going to click on the about this Mac. So I'm going to show you about this Mac OS. So as you can see, this is the Mac OS X version 10.4.1, and as you can see in the Limbo settings, we have selected the Intel Core 2 Duo processor and the 2 GB of RAM. It will showing 1.95 GB of RAM, and this is the 1983 to 2005 Apple computer INC already reserved. So as you can see, this is the Mac OS, the details of the Mac OS X. So let me just close it. So the main point of this video, the Mac OS is working with the internet. So now I'm going to open the browser. So in the Mac OS there is a browser called Safari, so I'm going to open it. So as you can see, just now I click on it. For the very first time, it will going to take some time to open up any application. So just now I have clicked on the Safari browser and it will opening up here. So now I'm going to show how the internet is working or not in this Mac OS. So as you can see, the Safari browser has been opened here. There is no Chrome browser in this macOS because this is the macOS, and in macOS there is a Safari browser. You can download and install in the macOS. So there is a different procedure. If you want to know, I will make a separate tutorial video on how you can install any software in macOS, or how you can download and install any PC software in Windows. So in the search bar, I'm going to type google.com to show you whether it's working or not. So just now type google.com in the search bar. So let me just click to enter, and make sure you are connected with the internet, with the good internet connection. So it will going to work very perfectly, because we are running internet in the emulator, and in the emulator we are running a macOS. So at the time the internet is slow in my Android phone, so it will going to take some time. Internet is going to work definitely. I have done research on it, and the internet is perfectly working. So you have to wait. If you're having a good internet, it will going to load very fast any website. So just now I've typed the Google www.google.com. The Google is a search engine, and to show you the internets whether working or not, and the website is still loading because of the internet, slow internet at the moment. But don't worry, I'm going to show you everything about this Mac OS. Stay tuned with the video. So as you can see in the screen, the Google search engine has been loaded in this browser. So now I can clearly, confidently say the internet's perfectly working with this Mac OS X. So now I am going to type something in the search engine to show you the internet is completely working. So let me just type something in the search engine. So as you can see, now I'm going to just click on the Google search. Then I'm going to show internet's working. So the screen size of this Mac OS, it's this much only, not full screen of this. So you have to manage about this. From here you can do a lot of things: send text, pause VM, reset, shut down, disconnect. So as you can see in the screen, just now I have typed some in the search engine hi, and the Google have searched and show me the search result in the Google search engine. So this is the Safari browser, and as you can see, the internet is perfectly working, and it's taking some time to load because of slow internet at the moment. But the internet is perfectly working. I'm wishing to show you the more about the internet, but the internet it's very slow. I wish you to show more about I'm about to open the website, but internet is not supporting me at the time. So as you can see, but still I have managed to show you it's opening the Google search engine, and the search engine can be searching anything, and you can open any website and you can do anything. So as you can see, the internet's perfectly working in this Mac OS. So let me just minimize. So let me just close this Safari and show you the file manager. I'm going to open the file manager and will show you how much space it's have. So in future you can install any software in this Mac OS X, and as you can see, this is the Limbo PC Emulator, and it's working in the Limbo PC Emulator. So as you can see, this is the Macintosh HD, means the file manager of this Mac OS. So as you can see, this is the Mac OS X perfectly working in Android, and the internet is perfectly supported in this, and the browser is perfectly working, the internet is perfectly working. So as you can see, this is the Mac OS X perfectly working in Android phone. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video. If any question or problem, let me know in the comments. Thank you.